What if the secret to reducing eye strain, seeing more clearly at night, and protecting your vision from aging wasn't a pill or surgery but something you eat before bed? Here's what most people and even many eye doctors rarely talk about. While you sleep, your eyes enter their most critical repair phase. This is when they rebuild light-filtering pigments, repair fragile retinal cells, and clear out the damage from a full day of screens and strain. But there's a problem. Your eyes can't repair themselves without the right raw materials, and most people go to bed nutritionally empty-handed. The result? Gritty morning eyes, increased glare, worsening night vision, and that slow, frustrating blur that creeps in year after year. Tonight, that changes. New nutritional research has identified specific bedtime foods that deliver targeted compounds straight to your retina, macula, and lens exactly when your eyes are ready to use them. This isn't about eating healthy. It's about strategic timing with precise, research-backed foods that act like a nightly software update for your vision. In this video, I'll show you the exact foods you can eat before bed to wake up with clearer, more comfortable vision and build long-term protection against age-related decline. And the best part, these aren't supplements. They're simple, whole foods you can find at any grocery store. Number 1. Purple sweet potato. This richly colored root vegetable is packed with anthocyanins, especially cyanidin and peonidin compounds that are beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants are able to reach the tissues of the eye, where they help reduce inflammation, protect against damage caused by light, and support the health of the tiny blood vessels in the retina. A medium-sized purple sweet potato, approximate 150 grams, provides a dense concentration of these vision-specific pigments, along with vision-supportive vitamin A from beta-carotene. A study published in the peer-reviewed journal Food and Nutrition Research found that supplementation with anthocyanins from purple sweet potato may improve certain aspects of visual health. The specific findings included improved dark adaptation, reduced visual fatigue, and enhanced contrast sensitivity in healthy adults. These benefits are linked to improved microcirculation in the eye and support for rhodopsin regeneration, essential for low-light vision. The complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels overnight, a key factor in preventing damage to the delicate blood vessels of the retina. For consumption, bake a small purple sweet potato until tender. Eat it plain or with a small amount of grass-fed butter or coconut oil about an hour before bed. The fat further aids in the absorption of its fat-soluble compounds, creating an ideal, slow-digesting pre-bed meal that fuels overnight repair processes. Number 2. Wild-caught salmon. A small, pre-bed serving of wild-caught salmon provides a direct infusion of the omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which are the essential building blocks for the light-sensitive cells at the back of your eye. In fact, your retina holds more DHA than any other part of your body. This fat keeps those cells flexible, helps turn light into clear vision, and reduces inflammation. A 3-ounce portion delivers over 1,000 milligrams of these essential fats. Wild-caught salmon also contains the antioxidant astaxanthin, which gives the flesh its pink color and provides additional protection against light-induced oxidative damage. Research confirms its critical role. Studies, including those published in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science, show that higher dietary intake of omega-3s is associated with a significantly reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. The body does not efficiently produce these fats, so direct dietary intake is essential. For a pre-bed meal, lightly bake or steam a small fillet. Pair it with a squeeze of lemon and a side of dark leafy greens to create a synergistic meal that supplies both omega-3s and carotenoids. Consuming this combination 60 to 90 minutes before sleep ensures a steady release of anti-inflammatory fats throughout the night, aiding in cellular repair and reducing inflammation that can impair vision. Number 3. This dark leafy green is arguably the most concentrated dietary source of the vision-critical carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, which are the primary components of the macular pigment. Just 1 cup of raw, chopped kale delivers over 22 milligrams of combined lutein and zeaxanthin, making it one of the most efficient foods for directly supplying the raw materials your retina needs for daily repair and protection. These pigments are not produced by the body and must be obtained through diet, where they accumulate in the eye over time. A major clinical trial by the National Eye Institute found that a formulation containing 10 milligrams of lutein and 2 milligrams of zeaxanthin could reduce the risk of progression to advanced age-related macular degeneration by approximately 25%. Dietary kale provides these compounds in their natural matrix. For optimal bioavailability, lightly sauté or steam a generous handful of kale. This cooking process breaks down the plant's cell walls, making the carotenoids up to 5 times more absorbable than when raw. Consume this as a small side dish before bed, always drizzled with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Avoiding high heat methods preserves the sensitive nutrients. Number 4. Almonds. A small, pre-bed serving of almonds delivers a critical dose of fat-soluble vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the cells of the eyes, especially the light-sensing cells, from damage caused by everyday light exposure. 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, provides roughly 7.7 milligrams of alpha-tocopherol, meeting a significant portion of the daily requirement. Data from the age-related eye disease study indicated that a formulation containing vitamin E, along with other antioxidants, reduced the risk of progression to advanced AMD by 25%. Furthermore, research in the British Journal of Ophthalmology has linked adequate dietary vitamin E intake to a slowed progression of cataracts. For optimal nutrient bioavailability, soak 10 to 12 raw almonds in water for 8 to 12 hours before consuming. This soaking process deactivates enzyme inhibitors and breaks down phytic acid, making the vitamin E and other minerals more accessible for absorption. Consume this small handful of soaked almonds with a few goji berries or a piece of dark chocolate for a synergistic pre-bed snack. The combination provides vitamin E, additional antioxidants, and magnesium, which helps relax ocular blood vessels, promoting optimal nutrient delivery during sleep. Number 5. Red bell peppers. Including red bell peppers in your evening meal delivers a massive, bioavailable dose of vitamin C, a critical antioxidant for the eye. 1 medium pepper provides over 150% of the daily value, far more than an orange. Vitamin C is concentrated in the fluid of the eye, where it neutralizes damaging free radicals generated by light, protects the lens, and is essential for maintaining the structure of the cornea. The red variety is also rich in vision-supportive carotenoids like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene. The landmark age-related eye disease study identified vitamin C as a core component of the formula that reduced the risk of advanced AMD progression by 25%. Furthermore, research links higher dietary vitamin C intake to a significantly reduced risk of cataract formation. For your evening meal, add a generous portion of sliced red bell peppers to your salad or as a raw side. Cooking can degrade some vitamin C, so consuming them raw in your last meal ensures maximum potency for overnight repair. Pair them with a source of healthy fat like a drizzle of olive oil on your salad or a handful of almonds. The fat enhances the absorption of its fat-soluble carotenoids, while the vitamin C works synergistically with vitamin E to recycle antioxidants, creating a sustained shield against oxidative damage as you sleep. Start with one that fits your pantry. Notice the subtle improvements upon waking. Less grittiness, clearer morning vision, reduced light glare. These are your biofeedback signals. Combine this targeted nutritional strategy with the critical habit of protecting your eyes from blue light before sleep, and you move from passively accepting decline to actively commanding your body's repair mechanisms. The blurry countdown is not mandatory. Your retina is waiting for the right instructions. Start sending them tonight.